We just have a vibrant graduate community, in part because it's a larger graduate student community. And then we have, graduate student specific organizations and activities. So I think in terms of quality of life and also exciting possibilities for research, coursework, networking, just the fact that we're a big university with a variety of programs, I think is a strength.
I have a really good network of friends. I live with some awesome other grad students, and so it's really nice to be able to have a really strong community at URI. So through the leadership team in my program, which is biological and environmental sciences, I've been able to connect with a lot of folks across the program and kind of listen to what kind of things they would like to see from the program, what kind of social events they want to do to make the community better, because I always think when a community is stronger, you're going to be more successful because you're going to find a lot of support elsewhere. Our lab also has a really good research culture. Like, I have felt really supported by my advisor to get to have the intellectual freedom that I might not necessarily get in another place.
Every day has been really a unique experience. I live in Providence. I love living in Providence, actually. It has its own unique flair and flavor, especially with the university culture there, but also the food culture. And that's one thing that URI and Rhode Island in general is just that, the ocean is baked into every part of the culture here.
There are a number of things that make the University of Rhode Island really special. The main thing that I can speak to are the people. The community at URI is really willing to be collaborative, to engage in these really novel, exciting research questions, to really propel our knowledge forward about our local ecosystems here in Southern Rhode Island and globally as well. And I think another thing that makes URI really special is the dedication to diversity, equity, and inclusion. I think the world of science research has often been for experts only, and it's been a closed-door community. But there are some really amazing folks at URI who are working to break down those barriers to make science research, especially marine science research, more accessible to a wide range of audiences and engage a lot of interdisciplinary efforts to answer these really important questions here in our community.
Really, my unique opportunities have largely been in working with undergrads. I think has been probably the biggest benefit. Teaching or even professional development for undergrads as their really early career scientists has been a crucial facet to me finding my own place originally in academia, and then also just feeling like I have a sense of community here.
We have a lot of collaboration and connections with different groups and organizations outside of URI. So I think it's a collective thing, and it takes a village to make a person. That's a saying that we have in Africa, and I think you have it here too.
For me, because I'm studying ocean engineering, it's very special to study at the ocean directly, at the coast, with the Bay campus, which is situated directly at the ocean, at the Narragansett Bay. And then also it's such a rural area, so the URI is really a hub of this region. And so I get both this big research community and this very natural life, going to the ocean. I enjoy surfing, and that is definitely something probably wouldn't be able to get anywhere else.
I spend my time doing one of three things. I live about a mile away from the beach, so I go visit all the time. I go for a lot of walks to look for sea glass in some of the more rocky areas around Narragansett. And I also spend a lot of time rock climbing, and we've built a big community of grad students who all go multiple days a week and do rock climbing together. So I found a lot of ways to integrate my love for nature and the outdoors and spending time outside, as well as building that within the URI community.
There's just this genuine community of people, and it's not just among your peers, but it's undergraduates with graduate students, with people in medical physics and astrophysics and quantum physics, and the faculty and their families. And that's one of the things that I love, and it makes it feel like home.